What's the one thing stopping you from living the life that you dream of? Spoiler alert, it's not the world, it's you. But here's the good news, guys. You can change that today. Stick with me for the next 7 minutes, and I'll show you how to unlock your potential and start taking action now. Hey everyone, I'm Crypto Billy. Welcome back to Billy Goat Tales and our Motivational Mindset series. Today we are diving into something real. How to stop overthinking, break free from fear, and start chasing your dreams. If you ever felt stuck, like you're not good enough, like you're waiting for the perfect moment, or you just can't get started, this video, it's going to be for you. So let's get into it. Let's be honest, guys. Life can feel like a treadmill sometimes. You're running, but you're just not getting anywhere. Maybe you've got a dream, starting a business, getting fit, writing a book, whatever it is, but something's holding you back. Fear, doubt, that little voice in your head saying, what if I fail? I get it. I've been there. We all have. But here's the truth. That fear, it's just a story. It's a story that you're telling yourself, and stories can be rewritten. Think about this. Every successful person that you admire, whether it's athletes, entrepreneurs, artists, they all started at the same place that you're starting. They had doubts too. The difference, they didn't let those doubts win. They took the first step even when it felt scary. So I like to talk about a lot of famous figures to use them as examples. And I probably overuse them, to tell you the truth, but their stories are compelling. So I'm going to use one of them in this story too. When you ask yourself, how do you break free? Well, it's simple, but it's not easy. You take action. You don't need to have it all figured out, guys. You just need to start. That's why I like on End of Lifer's video, the secret to success is getting started. He is exactly right. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just need to take action. That's exactly what we did to launch Billy Goat Tales. We did not have it all figured out, but we said we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to learn as we go. The key was getting started, right? So you just need to start. So want to get in shape? Let's say that's your goal. Well, lace up your sneakers and go for a 10-minute walk, and do it today. Do it now. If you're dreaming of starting a YouTube channel, do what we did. Record your first video. Even if it's just on your phone and it's junk like ours was, right? We took action. Perfection is the enemy of progress. It doesn't have to be perfect. So, a quick story. A friend of mine, they wanted to start a podcast for years. And she kept waiting for the right equipment or the perfect idea. And I kept sending her things, saying, here, I have this extra, go ahead and get started. Oh, she needed this, needed that, needed this, needed that. And guess what? She finally recorded her first episode on her phone. She uploaded it, and now she has thousands of listeners. The magic wasn't in waiting, it was in doing. So, you got to take action. Every small step you take builds confidence and silences that inner voice, that inner critic. So what's one tiny action that you can take today? Write it down, pause this video, and commit to doing it before the day ends. So let's talk about failure, because it always pops up right when we're talking about taking action and getting started, right? So let's talk about what I'm going to call the F word, failure. We're all terrified of that, right? But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every time you fail, you are learning. You are growing. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb on his first try. He failed thousands of times. But guess what? He kept going. Why? Because he saw failure as a setback and not the dead end. So, reframe it. That rejection I'm talking about, it's a lesson. That mistake I'm talking about, it's a stepping stone. The only way you truly fail is to stop trying. So, give yourself permission to mess up. It's okay. You're not supposed to be perfect. You're supposed to be persistent. And it's why persistence is one of our cornerstones. And it's why taking action is one of the Billy Goat-Tails cornerstones. I hope through our videos you're starting to see how important it is to know our 10 cornerstones. And when you know those cornerstones, you're going to see that they are laced through all of these motivational mindset that the best of the best people use. They're huge. So get to know our 10 cornerstones. But you're not supposed to be perfect. You're supposed to be persistent. So here's your game plan. First, identify one goal that lights you up. Second, break it down into small possible steps. Third, do that step today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Do it today. And when doubt creeps in, remind yourself, you are capable. You are enough. You are closer to your dreams than you think. You've got this. The world is waiting for your unique gifts, your rarity. Don't let fear rob you of your potential. You're just not watching this video. You're starting a journey. So go out there and make it happen. So guys, listen, hopefully I inspired you today. Thanks for watching Billy Goat-Tails and our Motivational Mindset series. If this video fired you up, smash the like button, share it with someone who needs a push, and subscribe for more motivation every single week. And drop a comment below. What's the one action that you're committing to doing today? I read them all. Let's keep inspiring each other. See you next time. Crypto Billy out.